Here, these are demo classes. Maybe this is the last demo class. Otherwise, 1 or 2 classes I'm telling. And actually, Oracle, any newcomers means concentrate. Previous class, demo classes, small things I'm telling. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. What type of product that one? Database product. What is the purpose of the database products? Either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2, so many products are there. What is the purpose of these database products? Means for storing data. Now, for storing data permanently in hard disk, in a secondary storage devices otherwise. But not only permanently storing the data, but also efficient way of retrieving the data. But unfortunately, what I'm telling in a previous classes, slowly observed here, database means it is a place. Whenever we are installing a Oracle, SQL Server, DB, these type of databases we are installing in our system, automatically one place is created. That is called database. But unfortunately, these type of databases, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these type of databases does not store random collection of data. These type of databases only stores structured collection of data, organized fashion only data is storing. Why? Because these type of databases are relational data model is a concept is there. Today I will tell you. Relational data model is a concept is there. Based on that one only, they're implementing what these type of products only. These are really, they're called as relational databases. Observe here, structured collection of data is there. Structured collection of data. This is previous class I'm telling. Structured collection of data. Always these type of databases stores structured collection of data. Organized fashion only data is storing. Once a structured collection of data is there, for handling, for operating this data by using a what? Which language? Very good. SQL, structured query language. That's why these type of databases are implemented based on relational data model. What is that one today? I will tell you. Now here, these type of databases, that is Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, MySQL, these all the databases are implemented based on relational data model, some concept only. Today I will tell you. For operating that data model products, then we are using SQL. But unfortunately, Oracle database product, if you want to operate means 3 languages we are using. One is SQL, another one is PLSQL, another one is dynamic SQL. Up to this one, in a previous classes, we are learning. Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me now? Hello, hello. Some network number, maybe. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah. And now here, maybe some online class, no, some network problem occurred. Okay. Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. What I am telling anybody not attending a previous classes, don't afraid only, don't worry. Simple. Now Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19C is a version. Don't worry. This Oracle is a database product. Okay, fine. This is a database product only. Previous class notes. We can just idea purpose. Newcomers. Database product. What is the purpose of this database product means? For storing data permanently in a hard disk. But these type of databases, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these type of databases, MySQL, Teradata, these are all databases from different companies. Okay. But these databases are implemented based on relational data model is a concept is there. Don't worry. Today I am telling that one. That's why these databases only stores a structured collection of data. Suppose observe it here. Structured collection of data means table format only data is available. Observe it here. A organized fashion only data is storing. Okay. Yeah. Now for operating a what? So now these type of relational data model products, one universal language is there. What is that one? SQL is a language, structured query language. But Oracle product we are operating means not only SQL language, three languages are there. One is SQL, another one is after SQL, PLSQL is there, procedural language extension for SQL. Another one is dynamic SQL. Anybody learning a Oracle course in a worldwide, anybody also, anywhere also, not from me only, anywhere also they are learning means, yes, in that course they are telling about these three languages. What is SQL language? What is PLSQL language? What is dynamic SQL? Big concepts only. These are all the things we are learning means through these languages we are operating about these type of products only. Okay, otherwise Oracle product. Okay, fine. In your company. Okay, up to this one in a previous classes I'm telling. Now concentrate here. Actually, now slowly observe it here. This is a demo class, something I'm telling only. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. Don't read it today. SQL Server is a product from Microsoft. Yes, MySQL is an open source product. That is also now from Oracle. Again, Teradata is a product from NCR Corporation. Again, Sybase is a product from Ingress Software. Okay, like this only so many products are there. These are all products are relational databases, or these all products are implemented based on relational data model. Relational data model is a concept is there. Observe here. Data model is a concept is there. What is that one? You must familiar before we are starting a what? These type of courses or these type of products you are interested to learn means minimum knowledge is required. Okay. Now observe here. What is this data model first? What is this data model means? Concentrate here. Easily understandable model. Don't write it. Just data model. What is data model means? Slowly observe it here. Anybody attending a what previous class? I am telling one thing. Actually, suppose here Oracle is a product is there. This Oracle database or relational database, anything also, Oracle database, having a two types of structures, I'm telling in a previous classes, two types of structures only, structures. One is logical structures, I'm telling only, okay, one is logical structure. Another one is physical structure, I'm telling in a previous class. Slowly observe here. Logical structure, I'm telling. Another one is a physical structure, I'm telling. Physical structure, I'm telling only. Physical structure, I'm telling. What is a logical structure means? Suppose you are creating a what table or anything in your okay, database, for example, now here, yes, suppose anything, any table I'm creating like this. Whenever I'm creating a what table, now here, yes, observe here. Now here, already these tables are there. Okay, now here, suppose I'm creating a what this table in my okay database, for example. Whenever I'm creating a what a table, this one, this is not visible in operating system. Observe here. This is not visible in operating system. This is a what in my system. I'm installing a Oracle. How you are installing a Oracle also next classes we are learning only. Don't worry. Now here I'm installing a Oracle one of the stage only in a SQL or somewhere. And now here in this C drive only, your table is not available. Whatever H is the table I'm creating, that is not visible, not visible. That's why in a C drive, D drive, this is not visible. That's why what is logical structure means a structure which is not visible. Yes, yes, structure which is not visible in operating system, visible in OS, in operating system is called logical structure. A physical structure means whenever we are installing a Oracle, SQL Server, DB to these softwares means automatically 3 physical files are created. I am telling you in a previous classes. That's why a structure which is visible in operating system is also called as here physical structure. These are all the things in a previous class I am telling. Don't worry. Now observe it here. What is data model? First observe here. These all products are implemented based on which concept? Relational data model in 1970 onwards. This is a new model. One fellow is introducing only. I will tell you. But before that one, what is this data model means? Easy. Data model. Anybody having idea? Any computer students are there? They're well-known persons. Don't write it anything. These are demos. Okay. Data model. Data model represents how data is represented. Data model defines how data is represented. Observe here how data is represented at logical structure of the database. At logical structure of the database. Logical structure of the database. How much easy definition? Observe here. Logical structure of the database. And now check it out. Screen observe it here. What is logical structure? In a previous classes, I am telling only here, a structure which is not visible in operating system, that is called logical structure. Or maybe you are creating a table means that is not visible in operating system, but that structure is visible in a database or not. Very good. Now here in this database, how data is represented, that is specified in the format of what? Something only, records only. But unfortunately, these collection of records are in matrix format only. That's why always observe here. Whenever this is a logical structure is there, how data is represented at a logical structure in a matrix format, rows and also columns only. And now here, that's why this is a data model, how data is represented at a logical structure. But 1970 onwards, these type of, so now data is represented at a logical structure in a relational data model. Relational data model means data is represented in the format of matrix. Matrix means nothing but a what? Rows and columns are not. Nowadays, that is also called as two-dimensional tables. Two-dimensional tables. But 1970 before, this data model is not there. Hierarchical data model, network data model, some other data models are there. IMS software, IDMS softwares are there. In those days, so now we have different softwares. IDMS, IMS, these type of softwares are there. But nowadays, observe here, data model is nothing but defines how data is represented at a logical structure of the database. And now check it out, concentrate here. And now here, suppose in a 1970 onwards, this data model is there. In a where the Oracle is there means next we are learning. First, just roughly observe here. In 1970, EF code, don't write it anything, just observe some terminology, new thing. EF code introduced, he is a mathematician. He is working in a very IBM company those days. Introduced relational data model. Okay, so in 1970, EF code introduced a relational data model. Relational data model means what? What is the logic in a logical structure? How data is represented? Okay, na? Yes, relational data model means in a logical structure. This is a logical structure. No, this structure is not visible in operating system or not. In this logical structure, how data is represented in the format of rows and columns. That is nothing but a two-dimensional tables. Observe it here. In relational data model, data is represented so in two-dimensional tables, represented in the format of rows and columns. That is nothing but a what? In two-dimensional tables, two-dimensional tables. Okay, na? Yes, here. But unfortunately, slowly observe here. Why these relational data model? Okay, the relational data model products we are operating also. Then we have some of here, yes, SQL language we are using. That history, big history we are learning next only. Whenever we are, our course is starting only. This is a big concept. Observe here. But why these relational data model products are so easy? Why these relational data model products are very easy? Suppose you are learning Oracle, you are learning MySQL, you are learning a DB2. Any relational data model products you are learning also that easy. Everyone telling in a world where any software engineer you are asking also they are telling about that easy. Why means the reason is there. Always any relational data model product we are observing also. Relational data model mainly consists of three components. Mainly consists of three components only. Three components. What are those components? Means observed here. These names you must be familiar before we are starting our courses. What are the components are available? Means these are first observed here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. What is the first one? Means simple collection of database objects. Database objects, or maybe in these type of softwares, Oracle SQL Server, DB2, these softwares are, yes, in what it will be available means collection of database objects are available. What is this one means? That is daily we are learning. Actually, observe here, slowly observe here, relational data model mainly consists of three components. What is first one means? Collection of database objects. Collection of database objects means that easy. Suppose you are a first time newcomer also, you are understandable. Suppose you are learning a Oracle course, for example. Oracle is a relational data model product. Suppose some other fellows are learning SQL Server. Okay, SQL Server is a relational data model product. Again, MySQL is a relational data model product from different companies. Okay, fine. But in a Oracle, which database objects are available? Nothing is there. Maybe first time newcomer having idea. Table, no? Table is a database object. Here also table is there. Here also table is there. MySQL also table is there. Same. Again, here view is a database object. Some purpose is there. Again, here also which one is there? View is there. Here also which one is there? View is there. View is a database object. Here synonym is a database object is there. What is synonym? What is view? We are learning. Don't worry. In our course, synonym is available. Here also synonym is available. Here index is there. Here also index is there. These are called objects. Here index is there. Okay, some terminology. What is this one? Big concepts only. Okay, fine. Here now here a procedure is there. Okay, fine. Here also procedure is available. Here also procedure is available. Here trigger is there. Trigger. Okay, there is a database object. Okay, so now here also trigger is there. Here also trigger. That's why relational databases, relational data model products contains the three components. But first component is what? Collection of objects. Objects means yes, here table, views, so procedure, function, triggers, packages, so many things are there. But unfortunately, you are a first time newcomer means what is this purpose? You have an idea means enough. Suppose what is the purpose of view? What is the purpose of synonym? What is the purpose of index? What is the purpose of procedure? What is the purpose of trigger? What is what? You have an idea where we are using this one means one relational data model product. We are learning also all the relational data model products, same uses, same thing only. But syntactically different and functions are different, but conceptually same. That's why here one product we are learning in our course. Suppose Oracle you are learning means another database also very easy. Not required to learn those all the things. One thing is enough perfectly. That's why collection of database objects are available very easy. In our courses we are learning not only collection of database objects. In any relational data model products we are observing also another easy concept is there. What is that one means? Set of operators are available. Operators are available. Operator means you are also, I am also thinking of what in a C language Java is equal to less than or equal to greater than or equal to not equal to. These type of operators are there. We are thinking of not only these operators but also here set of operators means different operators are there in every relational data model. Suppose exist is an operator. Okay. In is an operator, between is an operator. Okay, so now here, yes, so many operators are there. All is an operator, NA is an operator, sum is an operator. These are all so many different operators are there. Like is an operator, is null is an operator. Okay, like this, between is an operator. This type of so many special operators are there. These are special. what is this exist, what is this in, what is the difference between exist and in, where we are using, what is the performance tuning, those all the things we are learning in our course. What is the like, what is seasonal, what is between, where we are using. That's why through these operators we are operating only. That's easy. But not only these two easy, the first two is very easy only, but not only these two, another one is there. That is a key concept. Everyone knows the database objects. Maybe at least you are a first time newcomer also, a table you have an idea. Set of operators also, everyone understandable. Oh, maybe is equal to less than something is there. No, same like some operators are there. But unfortunately, third one is most powerful. This is a key concept. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Actually, relational data model, where the difficulty they are facing a learners or experienced person means, otherwise interview side means, third point only important. These two are dead. The third point is most powerful. Always relational data model products are works based on set of integrity rules. Very, 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 very important. These rules you have an idea, you are not required to attend a classes also, not required. Your own way also you are learning. That is enough. That much of powerful. These rules only so many fellows are doesn't know. These rules in a Google, anywhere you are typing of what integrity rules are, okay, relational database rules, you are typing also, nobody writing others. There is experience is required. So many things are there. Okay, always relational data model products. These type of products works based on set of rules. Really, that set of rules based only these are working. Yes. Now check it out. Some popular rules are there. Those rules at least demo classes side I am telling. Don't write it only. Just observe here. Really. First observe here, relational data model products works based on set of rules or not. Check it out. This one today we are concentrating. So many scenarios I'm telling only through that one. Oh, maybe these products are works based on set of rules. You are understandable. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now observe it here. Maybe some fellows having idea, some fellows doesn't have an idea. For example, now check it out. Concentrate here. Example side, real-time scenario side I'm telling. Suppose here one company is there. Don't write it. Here one company is there. Simple scenario. In this company, having a what? Two departments are there. Example purpose. Observe here. One company having a what? So many departments are there. Two departments. Your understandable purpose. I'm telling. IT is a department is there, and also HR is a department is there. For example, our knowledge base one. HR is a department is there. In this IT department, suppose you are a son of your joining in a company means you are also working in a where IT department or not? Yes, here. Okay, in this IT department, 3 employees are working, for example. Okay, for example, 3 employees are working. Okay, fine. Yes, yeah. Again, in HR department, 1 employee is working. For example, this is a small scenario is there. In a company, IT department and HR department is there. For example, one company, 2 departments are there. In this IT department, 3 employees are working. HR department, 1 employee is working. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, how you are thinking, oh, nothing is there. Relational data model products means also not table format only, their data storing only. You are thinking, okay, fine, I'm agree. Table format only, data is storing. Observe here. A big okay, son of here, yes, here tables also available. Okay, fine. These are all the tables. One of these days you are good. And now here, check it out. There is environment settings. One of these days you are familiar. Observe here. And now here, check it out. Now big tables are there. Okay, fine. This is a table format only, data is there. Okay, that scenario, suppose I am a first time newcomer, for example. That scenario, I'm a little bit of experience also. That scenario I'm representing as a table in my Oracle project side. Now that is working or not, you are telling me is really great. Suppose here, that is table format only I'm using. For example, in my project, suppose some little bit of experience is there, EMP table. For example, I'm designing like this. I'm a programmer, okay, fine, in a company. Now observe here, yes, oh, maybe here so many employees are there. Those employees are belongs to some department name, okay, fine. And also these are employees, these are columns. How columns and the data in a future you are also familiar, don't worry. Now check it out, here department name is there. These are columns, D name and E name is a columns, EMP is a table. For example, I'm representing like this. Here IT is a department is there, that is a data, IT is a department. In this department, 3 employees are working. One is what? Slowly observe here. Very interesting. Smith is an employee. For example, in an employee, just I am giving Smith is an employee, ABC employee, comma. Allen is an employee, comma. Ward is an employee, for example. I am representing what 3 employees are working in a way at this IT department. That's why I am representing what that data in the format of like this only. Oh, maybe IT is a department. In that department, Smith, Ellen, what is working. Again, another department is there. What is the department? HR department is there. For example, okay. HR department, one employee is working. My name, for example, Murali is a what employee is working. For example, I am a programmer in my project. Suppose Oracle project I am working, that is a relational data model product. The data is represented in the format of tables. One scenario is there, one company is there. In that company, 2 departments are there. In that one department, some employees, another department, some employees, they are giving only. I am a senior most programmer, means I am representing what data like this in my project. Maybe anybody academic career side, maybe little bit of knowledge is there in a database only. Now this table is working in Oracle or not working. Anybody guess it? Either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2. This table is working or not working? Maybe guess it. Anybody? Very good. One fellow is telling really correct. This is not working. This is not working. Why? Because what the problem is, any relational data model products also, data is represented in the format of table also. Table also some rules based only they are implementing. What is that one means? In this table here, this is a cell, this is cell, this is another cell, this is another cell, this is another cell. But every cell having a what? Single value. Suppose here this IT is a single value, there is no problem. Again, HR is a single value, there is no problem. In a Murali is a single value, there is no problem. Data in each column should be atomic. That is a rule. Okay, fine. There is no multiple value separated with comma. For example, here only problem. What is the problem? Smith, Allen, Ward, here, storing, representing in the format of what? Comma, comma, comma. It won't work. This is cell not working. Why? Because now data is represented in each cell. Okay, so now only single value only. There is a rule in a relational data model product side. Suppose, for example, suppose okay, in a books we are referring means everyone writing others only data in each column should be atomic. Atomic is single value. There is no multiple value separated with comma. They are writing. Okay, fine. I am also reading article. You are also reading article in a Google, for example. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, suddenly you are attending an interview. Interviewer asking, do you have any idea why in each and every cell only one value you are representing? Only why we are unable to represent a multiple value separated with comma in a single cell in a relational data model products, either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2? They're asking. Anybody interviewer asking that one? Nobody telling a reasons. Reason also there. Actually, this table is not a problem. Table creation also here, Smith, Allen, word working. But why this is not recommendable means every cell having a single value means this is table creation is not a problem. Another thing is a problem. What is that one means? Screen observer very important. EF Cord, he is a mathematician. He is only okay, so now introducing a what? A relational data model in a 1970. Okay, but not only that one. If you want to operate this relational data model, he is introducing a one language. What is that language? DSL alpha language in olden days. That language name nowadays, SQL is a language. This language is a problem. This is important. SQL is a language is a problem. What is the problem in this SQL language? Means, yes, we are representing a multiple value separated with comma also, created also. Why they are not recommendable means Oracle, ANSI SQL providing a what? This is the reason. What is the reason? Means suppose in SQL language and non-procedure language, some commands are there. Update, delete, select, insert, some commands are there. Suppose I am update, okay, update only. So now update command I'm using in SQL language. Whenever I'm using a what update command, through this update command, I try to modify only single employee word from these multiple employees. Impossible. In a way, impossible. This update command is not working. Whenever multiple value separated with the comma is there, update command through, we are modifying a single value from these multiple values. Impossible. That is a problem. Again, observe here, select is a command is there. Yes, multiple value separated with comma is there. Then by using a what? This select command, I want to select a what? Individual values. Suppose in this example, Smith is a value from this table. Impossible. Impossible. It won't work. Again, here, now here delete. Now here I try to delete a single value from these multiple values. Allen is a single value I want to delete from these multiple values. Syntax is not there. That's why not recommendable. These are the rules. But nobody knows this type of rules only. Observe here how much powerful. First onwards, something is there. but nobody knows. That's why rules we are concentrating is most powerful. And now here, check it out here, and now concentrate here. Reasons nobody knows actually. And now reasons are most powerful. That is, I am an experienced person. I'm telling all the things only. And now here, check it out. Don't write it. Just demo class. Observe it here. Rules are there. I am telling. Suppose in this table, observe here. Every cell having a single value. Observe here. Single value. In the olden days, IMS, IDMS softwares are there, network hierarchical data model in 1970 before. In that one, operating means procedural language is there. This is a non-procedural language. Observe here, SQL language. Observe here. Every cell having a single value is there. Single value is available or not. Anywhere, any table also. You are observing also, any table you are observing also, single value is there. Observe here, single value every cell. In my project table, so many tables are there. For example, in our class only. And now here, single value is available or not? In a single value, mail IDs I'm storing like this. Okay. Single value is available or not? Anywhere also. Anywhere also. And now here, yes, a single value is available. Every table also. And now here, single values are available. Now here, single value. Every cell having a single value, atomic value. Then only we are operating, otherwise impossible. Okay, understood? Oh, maybe, yes, a set of rules based only. That rules may be anything. Okay, later. Okay, fine. But just idea purpose, I'm telling. Suppose, really, that rules are most powerful. Yes. Without those rules, you are unable to handle. Yes, really, we are unable to handle. How it is possible? Now check it out. For example, simple example, I'm telling. Suppose this is suppose one employee is there, for example. This employee name is Scott is an employee. Oracle Corporation giving this is a user. Don't worry, these users you are familiar in a future. Scott is an employee, for example. This is an employee having a one table is there, for example, EMP table. Oracle Corporation giving these all the tables in a future you are familiar. Don't worry. Scott is an employee is there. Your imagination employee. What is user also? You don't have an idea, but just imagination. Scott is an employee is there in a company, for example. Now this employee having a which table is there? EMP is a table is there. For example, this table is there in their project only. Okay, yes, here. Now suppose here, now check it out, screen observe it. These are all the things in a future you are familiar also. 1 minute only. Now I am opening another session. Now here observe here. Now here, my name is Murali. For example, another employee is there. Murali is employee is there. Your imagination employee. What is this user? How can I create this? All the things. Later you are familiar. Don't worry. Big concepts you are familiar. Now check it out. Scenarios observe it. Demo classes first time. And now here check it out. Later you are also familiar. These are all the things. Nothing. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Okay, another employee is there. Small thing I'm asking today at least. Okay, fine. Another employee Murali is there. Slowly observe here. One employee Scott is there, another employee Murali is there, for example. This one maybe you are guessing, I think. Okay, two employees are there in a company. For example, in a database project, relational data model product. Okay, either Oracle, either SQL Server, anything. Okay, roughly. Now Scott employee having a which table is there? Employee, user I'm not telling. Employee having a which table? EMP table is there, employee details. Murali does not have a what? This EMP table, for example. Now, this Murali user using a what? This Scott user table. Some commands are there. SQL language is there in a feature. For example, select star from EMP. In a Murali user, yes, this table is not there, but he is typing a what? Some command only. Don't worry. This SQL command in a feature. Select star from. Yes, table name EMP. They are typing only. Murali user typing only. Possible or not possible? Now, in a Murali user, Scott user table is visible or not visible? Maybe. Murali user allowed to access a what? Scott user table? Possible, maybe not possible. Logically observed here, possible or not possible? Very good. One fellow is telling only correct answer. Not possible. Not possible, because this is EMP table is another employee table. That's why this is not possible. Observe here. I am pressing enter key means error. Okay, fine. Oh, maybe table or view does not exist. View means later. Don't worry. Does not exist. Suppose Murali user unable to access a what in this example? Scott user table. Okay, fine. If this Murali user interested to access a what? Scott user table, for example, first Murali user requesting, for example, Murali employee requesting, for example, requesting Scott employee, please give me your table only. I am using a what? Some information from your table only in my project. They are requesting, for example. Whenever if Murali employee requesting a what? Scott employee, for okay, EMP table accessing only. Suppose this Scott employee giving a permission means some commands are there. Later you are familiar these commands in our language. Grant is a command is there. We are learning, don't worry. Now suppose here some grant command through they are giving a permission. For example, scenario observed here, grant something only. Now here, yes, here. Now check it out. Some permission they are giving only. For example, now here observed here, granting this table to which employee, Murali employee, they are giving. For example, grant is succeeded. You are also familiar in a future. These are all the things. Nothing. Okay, fine. Logically tell me, once they are giving a what permission, is this a permission, this Scott you employee, maybe they are giving a permission to Murali, here grant is succeeded, some message it will display in a project is a relational data model product. Now Murali employee try to access a what a Scott user EMP table, possible or not possible, maybe I'm typing like this only, Scott select a star from something, okay, EMP like this only. Now I'm typing like this only, maybe possible or not possible. Anybody guess it? Possible or not possible? Very good, very good. So many fellows are in our class, Otherwise, I am also first time newcomer means I am also thinking like that. Oh, nothing is there. Grant is succeeded. Then possible. There we are thinking. You are also telling like that only. I am also thinking like that. But impossible. That is the beauty of the way relational data model. Impossible. What is this one? Here grant is succeeded. Now, why it is not possible? That purpose only they are giving a permission. I am also, you are also imagination like that only. Okay, so now how it is one not working only? Yes, what is this one? What is going on? We are imagination. Now observe here. But unfortunately, this is not working. Why it is not working means observe here. Yes, here. Suppose I am typing a what like this. Here again, it will give a what here. Why means observe here. If any relational data model products we are using means yes, compulsory we must follow some rules. They really grant is succeeded, really correct. But I am a developer. I am unable to follow the rules in a relational data model. That's why I'm failure. I'm a programmer, I don't know rules, so that's why I'm failure. What is the rule is there? Yes, here, what is the rule is there? Now check it out, concentrate here. If any user giving a what permission to another user means, observe here, either procedure, either function, either trigger, either package, anything, any database object they are giving also, which employee giving a permission, that employee name dot, employee name is user here actually, don't worry. And now here, which user giving a permission, that username dot operator we are using, select star from Scott dot EMP, that is a rule. Very, very important. That is a rule. And now here, yes, update Scott.emp, delete from Scott.emp. In this case, okay, Scott user giving a permission like that only, then only working, otherwise impossible. That's why that is a rule only. Now, suppose I am also, you are also good at what that rule, then you are successful. Now check it out, observe here. Yes, select a star from here, Scott.emp. Oh, maybe Scott is a employee means user. Don't worry, users and all these things later you are familiar. Scott.emp. Now it is working or not? Yes, here working. Observe here. In place of that username dot object name in a real-time project, a synonym is there. So many big concept, database link is there, at the rate something is there. Now, understood or not? Oh, maybe always relational data model products works based on set of rules only. Understood or not? Yes, here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. Okay, maybe in a future you are learning Oracle or you are learning MySQL, you are learning a DB2, any relational data model product also. Not only these simple rules, main very, very important rules are there in a project oriented. That rules you must familiar, must mandatory. What is the important rule means? Today I'm interested to tell that rule only. That rule I want today. And now here, that purpose only I'm telling. Now here, this class only. Now check it out. Now onwards, up to 15 minutes concentrate. At least 15 minutes demo. Here. Small thing I'm telling. And now here, observe here. Actually, you are working in a company. For example, maybe in a working professionals are there in our class. I don't know. So now they well-known persons. Whenever relational data model products you are working, either SQL Server, either MySQL, either DB2, anything also. Main transactions, this rule is most powerful. Main transactions are stored in 15 minutes observe here. Main transactions are stored in main transactions are stored in a what? Master table. Very, very, very important. Main transactions are Main transactions are stored in a where? Stored in a where? Master table. Master table. What is this one? Again, related child transactions are real-time projects. Child transactions are stored in a where? Stored in a where? Child table. Okay, fine. For example, observe here, main transactions are stored in master table, related child transactions are stored in a where? Child table or detailed table, for example. Okay, fine. Suppose Oracle Corporation giving a what? Practice purpose some tables. Today I'm showing a what? Predefined Oracle provided 2 tables only. Those tables I'm showing only. Okay, fine. Don't be afraid only. In those 2 tables, one is master and one is child. They are only giving. Oracle Corporation only giving. Which one is a master, which one is a child, you are guessing means really great without any knowledge also. First. Now here then how you are given the guarantee, this is a master, this is a child. I am telling what they use, why they are defining, all the things I will tell you. Now check it out. First observe it here, slowly observe it here. Oracle Corporation providing a what? Practice purpose. Otherwise, in our course also, we are learning about those table based only so many queries. That's why first time telling 2 tables, they are giving only practice purpose. One is what? EMP is a table is there. I'm showing today those tables. EMP is a table. EMP means maybe employee details are storing in a where in that table. Predefined, don't worry. Again, another table also Oracle Corporation providing only practice purpose. Another table, DGPT is a table or maybe department table. One is EMP table, another one is DEPT table. These tables you are familiar in the future. Okay, don't worry. These are all the things you are familiar, but first only injecting without any knowledge. Observe here, I try to inject. Now check it out. Concentrate here. 2 tables are there. One is EMP table, another one is DEPT table. Slowly observe here. This is a Oracle custom product. What is this one? Later we are familiar. Don't worry. Whenever our course is starting means you are familiar. Observe here. Screen observe. Screen observe. I am typing a what? One big table only. Now big table Oracle Corporation providing EMP is a table. Observe here. EMP table. EMP table. Predefined table. This one. Same like these tables. You are also creating tables. Don't worry. Now here EMP table. In this EMP table, at least how many columns are there? Check it out. Columns. What is the names? I'm not asking. Columns. How many? These are called columns. Don't worry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, maybe 8 columns are there. Why I'm counting this one means write a query which count a number of columns in a table, enter question that one in a feature. Okay, you are familiar. Most powerful, those all the things. Okay, fine. Yes, 8 columns are there. How many rows are there? Check it out. 1, 2. These are called rows. These are called rows only. How many rows are there? Here, 14 rows are there. Okay, some rows are there. They are giving. Okay, this is a big table is there. EMP is a table. Okay, fine. Again, observe here. Small thing, another thing, observe here. Oh, maybe some other table is there. DEPT is a some table is there. Okay, fine. These are third normal form tables, well normalized tables. Don't worry. But first, observe here without any knowledge. DEPT is a table is there. Maybe department details. In this table, how many columns are there? Department number, D name, and location. 3 columns are available. How many rows are there? Observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are available. For example, okay, fine. Now one is big table is there, size based only. Another one is small table is there. Maybe big table is a EMP, small table is a DEPT table is there. Maybe guess it. Maybe guess it. Which one is a master table? Which one is a child? Really, what is master? What is child? What are the users? You don't have an idea. But roughly, maybe guess it only. Interesting purpose only. Which one is a master table? Which one is a child table? In these 2 tables, one is master, one is child. They are telling only in our Oracle Corporation. Now here, very important. Very good. So many fellows are in our class only. They are telling maybe non technical persons. They are telling only technically you are good means different. Now here non technical person they are telling what? Oh, Murali sir, nothing is there. EMP is a big table is there. There is a master table. They are telling only EMP is a master table. DEP is a child table. They are telling absolutely wrong one. Some fellows are telling DEPT master correct. Absolutely wrong one. This is wrong one. What is this one? Maybe some students are telling what in a first time learning a courses means now here these type of databases now here yes EMP is a master table. Why they are giving me telling me is a reason is there. Okay, I am thinking about one reason. Oh, maybe this is a big table is there. EMP is a big table is there. And now here, yes, DEPT is a what? Small table is there. Maybe big means master. Master means big only. And now here child means small only. That's why they're thinking about based on the size only. Yes, EMP is a master. This is a big size is there. That's why master table they're thinking. Absolutely wrong one. This is not a master table. Here, EMP is a child table. Really correct. Very good. Some fellows are guessing. How they are guessing, I don't know. But DEPT is a master table. Very, very, very important. Most powerful. DEPT table is a what? A DEPT. Observe here. DEPT table is a what? A table is a what? A master table. Master table. What is this one? A small table. This one. This is a master table. Oracle Corporation giving. Again here EMP table is a what? EMP table is a what? A child table. Really, EMP is a child table. Some fellows are asking in our class, Murali sir, you are telling a what? A bookish knowledge only. DEPT is a master, EMP is a child. Okay, Scott's some tables are there in a Google also. These type of things are there. How you are given the guarantee? Suppose I am a first time newcomer. How I am understandable in a project side only on our documentation side? This is a master, this is a child. Means simple technique is there. Simple technique. You are a first time newcomer also. You are also telling about very easy way. Which one is a master? Which one is a child? Okay, some tables only, not all the tables. Observe it here. Which one is a master? Which one is a child? Means check it out. Check it out here. Both the tables in a common column is there. Check it out. Common column is there. One column is there. DEPT number is a column in a DEPT table. Compulsory master and child means common columns are there. Observe here. Here also in EMP table also department number is a column is there. Observe here. Based on this one only, which one is a master, which one is a child, easily you are identifying. Easy, dead, easy. And now check it out. Why master and child? How can I create? Means I will tell you first. Observe it here. Suppose, for example, slowly observe it here. 2 minutes observe it enough, easily understandable. Now check it out. How we are given the guarantee, this is a master, this is a child, means simple technique is there. Suppose this is a DEPT table, Oracle Corporation giving. DEPT table. In this DEPT table, 3 columns are there. DEPT number, DNAME, location is a columns are available. Okay, fine. Slowly observe here. Yes, columns are available. These are the 3 columns are available. Again, EMP is a table is there. Don't worry, just observe it here. EMP is a table is there. In this case also, so many columns are there. Don't worry, these are all the columns. So observe it here. Very interesting. Small thing only, just without any knowledge. And the employee number, name. So many columns are there. One of these stays the last column only, DEPT number. They are giving a Oracle Corporation. Okay, fine. Now, 1 minute observe it here. In these 2 tables, first you have to check it out. In a common column is there. Check it out. Yes, common column. There is only the established relationship between the relational amount products. This observe here. Now here, concentrate here. Oh, DEPT number here also there, Okay, fine. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now here in this DEPT table department number, this is a common column. In an EMP table department number, common column, data observed here. This is data. Here, this is a data only. 1 minute observed here. This is a data. In a DEPT table department number, how many times 10 is there? Check it out. 10 is 1 time, again 10 is 2 times, again 10 is 3 times, again 10 is 2, 3, 4 times, 10 is 5th time is there. No, not there. Duplicate data is not there. Only 1 time only 10 is there. Check it out here. 1 time only 20 is there. 1 time only 30 is there. 1 time only 40 is there. Check it out. Yes, without any knowledge also. Oh, maybe DEPT table department number. Only 1 time only 10 is there. Only 1 time only 20 is there. Only 1 time only 30 is there. Only 1 time only 40 is there. That's why only 1 time only the data is there. 10. 1 time only 20 is there means 10, 10, 10 is not there. 20, 20, 20 not there means 10, 10, 10, 20, 20 is a duplicate data. Duplicate data is not available in a column. Yes, that column is a primary key in a relational data model. Observe here, primary key. What is primary key means? Most powerful concept in a future. Suppose your bank account numbers are there, invoice numbers are there. These type of things are okay. So primary keys. Whenever we are defining a primary key means that column does not accept a duplicate data. Through that column only unique identification of the record is there. Suppose your account number is your name only, your address only, your balance only there. Your account number through my balance, my address is not visible. That's why most powerful primary key means does not accept any duplicate data. Oh, maybe without any knowledge also in a relational data model, one column is there. In that common columns, one column only does not accept duplicate data means there is a primary key. Observe here. Again, but unfortunately, EMP table department number not a like that only. Duplicate data is there. 10. Again 10 is there, again 10 is there, again 20 is there, again 20 is there, again 30 is there, again 30 is there, again okay, so now 20 is there, like this. That's why whenever duplicate data is there in a common columns, this column also called as foreign key. Foreign key means foreign key, we are there defining only, don't worry. This foreign keys, primary keys, check, unique, this type of called constraints only we are learning in our course only. Foreign key, observe here, foreign key. Oh, maybe without any knowledge also in a relational data model, where common column is there. In that common column, one column does not accept a duplicate data means that is primary key. Whenever one column is accepting a duplicate data, that is called foreign key. Okay, fine. Whenever a table having a primary key is available, that is related to where another table foreign key means this primary key table is also called as which one? Master table. Observe here, master table. This is a master table. That's a primary key is available. That table called master table. Again, foreign key is available. That table is also called as what? A child table or detailed table. Foreign key is available. That table is also called as what? A child table or detailed table. Why in a project side we are establishing a relationship between the table, primary key, foreign key, primary key, foreign key with unique key. So many things are there, don't worry. Now here, yes, here. Now here this primary key is available. This is a master table related to this child table. Again, this is a what? EMP is a child table. There's a foreign key is available. That's why that is child table related to where this master table. Okay, fine. Why they are establishing a relationship between the table means data security point of view. What type of data security point of view means? Concentrate. Anybody guess it? Anybody guess it? In a master table is there in any database. I try to delete a what? This record in a master table, for example, working or not working. Anybody guess it? I try to delete a what? This 10 only, for example, from the master table. Possible or not possible? Very good. Impossible. It will give us a what? Error. That is a security. Because already that data is available in in this child table. That's why we are trying to delete a master table record. It won't work. Again, suppose I try to insert a what? Suppose here 90 I try to insert in a child table record means other than a master table record, it won't work. So now here, because this 90 is not available in a master table, like this, so many rules are there, most powerful. Those are all the things you are learning in our courses in a future. These are big rules only. Suppose here, not today, okay, these are demo class, means just something is there, I'm interested to tell only. Now here, that's why fastly I'm telling only roughly. Now here, check it out. Suppose here, this is a what? Constraint is a chapter is there. In this chapter only master tables are there. Here child tables are there. What is this one? We are learning only. Now here, yes, observe here. Now whenever master and child table is available, then automatically, so now some rules are there. Okay, fine. Observe here. Yes, here, yes. Deletion from master table, insertion in child table. These are all the things, big chapters, don't worry. In every database, not only working. Now here, observe here, what is primary key, what is foreign key, what is checked, what is unique, these type of things, constraints is a chapter is there. In that one, we are learning in our course, so don't worry, one by one. That's a demo class means all the things we are explaining not possible. We just observe it here roughly. I'm telling only here foreign keys there, how we are establishing a relation like this only. Whenever master and child table is there, deletion from master table, insertion in child table. These are the rules, two rules in every database. Whenever we are using a deletion from master table, what happened? What is on delete cascade clause? What is on delete set null clause? This is a deletion from master table. What happened? Yes, what is these clauses only? Insertion in a child table, what happened? Now these all the things we are learning in our course. Suppose you are an experienced person, for example, now in a future, don't write it. These are all the things. For example, in a future you are learning our courses, for example, now here, yes. In that case, master and child tables within fraction of second you are writing only. Okay, once you are good at course and you have an idea means then possible. Suppose master table I'm creating like this. Or maybe primary key is available, then that one only. Don't write it, just demo. Yes, you are observe it here. Or maybe something is there. Now I try to insert a one duplicate data, for example. And now in a master table, I try to insert a duplicate data. It's about 10. Again 10 means not possible. Duplicate not possible. Error. And now here, but 10 one time, 20 one time, 30, not only 10, 20, 30. And now here, yes, 1, 2, 3 also. And now here, observe here. Yes, we are being only that one. That's why I'm telling this is a master table, select star from master like this. Observe here, 10, 20, 30, 40 is there or not? Again here, I try to create a child table. Now here in a future, you are also creating some child and master. Why that one? So many things are there. Now here, yes, some clauses are there in a future. Okay, fine. Yes, here maybe something is there. Don't worry. These are all the things. Clauses are there. References. Oh, some non-delete cascade. So many classes are there. Now I try to insert. Now here, check it out here. I try to insert a what other than master table value. Suppose 90 I try to insert, not possible. So now 90 is not there in a where in this master table impossible. Now other than master table record impossible. Error. Okay, these errors also you are familiar in the future. Or maybe parent key not found. Your 90 is not there in a where master table. And now here, suppose I try to insert a what? Yes, here, now check it out here. And now here some values only. Again 10. Duplicate possible? Possible. After 10 I'm inserting. Again 10 possible. Again 10 possible. Again 20 possible. Again 20 possible. Again 20 possible. Again 30 is possible. Like this. A duplicate data possible in a where child table. Observe here. Yes, this is a master table. And now in the future you are familiar. Now here, observe here. Yes, this is a child table. Okay, fine, like this. Now master and child is there or not? Oh, somewhere you are familiar in the future in a course also. Okay. Now I try to delete some record. What is delete? What is insert? Up to now you don't have an idea. Just I'm checking. Delete. Security they are telling delete from master where s number is equal to 10. It won't work. Already that 10 is available in a where. Yes, we are unable to delete. Here, that's why here child record found. Oh, maybe that record is available in a where this 10 is available in a so many times in a where in a child table. That's why whenever you are joining in a company, your main transaction ID where it will be storing in a master table. Those related child transactions are stored in a where number of child tables. Suppose you are resigning a job means now how they are deleting a master table record means first those child table records they are deleting in a child table, then only they are allowed to delete in a master table record. That much powerful. There's so many things are there actually. And now your project side, these are all the things very, 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 very important. That's why my intention is nothing. I'm not telling anything in today demos. No, just Oracle is a database product, but this is implemented based on relational data model. Is some concept is there in a 1970 onwards. Nowadays these all products Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, these are relational data model products. Why these relational data model products are very easy means I'm intimating to you. Oh, maybe 3 components are main components. One is objects are there, very easy. That one operators are there, dead easy. But not only those easy concepts, but also those relational data model products works based on set of rules only. Those rules you are familiar. Then only now maybe easy. I'm thinking, I'm telling only. That's all I'm intimating to you. Oh, maybe some rules based only working or not. Yes. These are all the things rules based. These are all the things rules. Yeah, rules. These are child record font rule. Okay, deleting, inserting something. Rules are there or not? Yes. Okay, so now here, yes, here. Master is nothing but parent table. And now here, yes, here. That's why in our course only these type of concepts we are learning. SQL means these type of concepts are there. SQL means big concepts here. Okay, fine. Here inserting, updating, deleting, dates, functions, joins, constraints, subqueries. So much of syllabus. Views, okay, so now indexes, synonyms, hierarchy. So many things are there. Big concepts. Again, PLSQL means some other concepts are there. Observe here. PLSQL means PLSQL cursor is there. Exceptions are there, okay, subprogram, stored procedures, stored functions, triggers. In our syllabus is this one only. Your packages, advanced case types are there, index per table, nested table, VRI, bulk bind. These are most powerful concepts who are applying a PLSQL job means bulk bind, riff cursor. Java developers also riff cursors, they have an idea. Now in your JavaScript only in a screenshot multiple records it will display how it will be cursor through procedure out parameter they are recommending. Local subprograms, UTL file packages, external tables, SQL loader, here LOBs, and the images we are storing is BLOB data type is there or not? Yes, these are all the things we are learning in our courses. SQL, PL, SQL, dynamic SQL, like that, so many things. Okay, na? Yeah. No. These are the demos, small thing in a roughly some concepts are there. I'm intimating to you. Okay, that is enough. Okay, na? But unfortunately, this is the way you are not required to learn. Why? Because okay, any experienced persons are there. Just this is something is there. Everyone knows, so that I'm telling you only. Okay, na? But you are a first time newcomer, non-technical person. You are a first time without any knowledge of these all the things. Not a problem. First time onwards, installation onwards, we are telling all the things. Okay, na? Suppose in a future installation, yeah, observe which sites through we are installing easy, all the things I will tell you. These are maybe you are interested 11G, you are interested 12C, you are interested in 19C, anything installation steps also I will tell you. Your steps are there, installation steps also. One of these days I will tell you, okay, these are installations. How it will, this one we are following means possible installation, how we are installing the what these softwares, and how these all the things I will tell you. Okay? Yes, your steps are there, which user, what is this tool is there, what is the spot user is there, what is that one, is all the things. Okay? In actual classes we are telling only. Maybe tomorrow onwards we are starting better. Maybe you are interested to tell what to start a actual classes means tomorrow onwards I'm telling. Otherwise tomorrow also demo class. Your one. Okay, maybe I'm interested to start a what tomorrow onwards actual classes. There is no problem. Demo class means anything, any number of demos also not a problem. Just newcomers are coming, because what is going on, they doesn't have an idea. They're missing class means they're facing a problem. No, that's why we are. Okay, na? The demo class is no fast, I'm telling, but actual class means very slowly, I'm telling. You are understandable first onwards, what is what is what. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. Okay, some fellows are newcomers. That's why what is going on, they doesn't understandable. That's why just fastly, this something is there. Okay, okay, duration of the course is very high only. Okay, actually, anybody more patiently, more subject here, they're interested to learn means better to attend these classes. Otherwise, fastly they want means better to skip these classes. Okay, yeah. Why? Because more than 3 months means 4 months above, okay, this course. Because so much of syllabus. First only I'm telling. Why? Because once you are starting means you are understandable how much easy way I'm telling all the things without any technical knowledge, all the things. You have an idea. Once you are starting means you have an idea to do it. You have to ask any friends, your friends or anything also, not about. Okay, now how I am telling what is that one, these all things. Okay. Okay. But more patience is required. My classes means always more clearly I'm telling all the things only, but more patience is required. First only I'm telling within 15 days, within 1 month, fastly. Okay, so now we are learning all the subject means impossible. Okay, because software technology means first learning means it will take a time. Because what is what going on, first you are understandable. Compulsory practicing all the things required. All the things I'm typing practically. Practical, I'm interested in always practical. That's why there is no problem. Recorded videos also they are giving in a previous batches. Okay, they are giving only your batch also, they are giving the videos and all these things, management only. Don't worry, copy these notes also in the net only there. Otherwise management also providing. You have to ask any doubts means management only, then only you have to join. Otherwise don't join. Okay, na? Yeah. Why? Because your career, your time, your money very important. Okay, na? Yeah. If you are comfortable with these classes, then only you have to join. Okay, na? Yeah. Why? Because some lecturers are comfortable with some type of students only. Okay, like that. Okay, yeah. Because understandable. Anywhere also subject is important. No? Yeah. Anywhere you are learning also subject. Okay, yeah. Subject, only subject. Okay, yeah. Okay, one fellow is asking, well, Murali sir, Ramesh only. Okay, very good. I would like to try it for PL SQL development, sir, and currently working as a L1 DBA. Yeah, okay, very good. Okay. Any doubts also ask me, don't worry. Whenever anybody missing classes means you have to request about management only that a date, occasion, that whatever recorded video is there, they are giving. Don't worry. Okay. Fresher level SQL is enough, I think. Okay. In the back end side, they are using it. Yeah. So okay, data analyst means better to learn about a SQL part only enough. So don't waste the time total course content only. Once you are comfortable something only, then you have to ask what management videos are there, our previous batch videos or anything. You have to so now ask means they are giving only. That is you are listening also. You are okay. Okay. No? Okay, unmute is not possible in this case. Why? Because so many people, so many things they are asking me is not comfortable. Okay, and the ask is just okay, yeah. Once we are starting means subject wise all the things. Okay, na? Yeah, 6 to 7:30 class only. The first initial stage 6 to 7. Okay, yeah. ETL developer required SQL. Yes, very good. ETL developers also required SQL. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for attending these classes. Maybe chances are there tomorrow onwards we are starting about our regular sessions. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you. Thank you so much.